Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads and rotors. First, gather all necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from any debris or brake fluid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to removing the old components. After taking off the wheel, you'll need to unbolt the brake caliper and its mounting bracket. Gently slide out the old brake pads from the bracket. Next, locate and remove any retaining screws holding the rotor in place. With those removed, the old rotor should slide right off the wheel hub, making way for your new parts. With the old parts off, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the hub surface thoroughly to ensure proper seating of the new rotor. Slide the new rotor onto the hub, then lubricate the new brake pads and install them into the caliper bracket. Finally, reattach the caliper bracket and the caliper itself, making sure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety. After installing everything, it's crucial to perform some final checks. If you open the brake lines, you'll need to bleed them to remove any air. Then, pump the brake pedal several times to properly seat the new pads against the rotors. This ensures optimal braking performance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.